Are you recording now?
Yep.
Okay. So this was that. Assume it looks like an '05 battery based on the ECM module, but he did say he changed it. So it might be '07 like the engine in the car was. But I went through all the connectors of the Sense plug that goes into that module. And this one plug, this one connector wasn't continuous until I took off and found this was broken. And then I went in and probed to see if I get continuity, which I'm not getting right now. There it is. So that needs to be cleaned up with like Yaxit or something, to get rid of the oxidation. You can see it's clearly blue, and some of these other ones definitely have oxidation. They're still continuous, but they could crack and break off like it did here. So I'll resolder that on and then reconnect, and should be good to go. All right.